Good morning, students. Hope you all are fine and safe at your home and taking precautions from COVID. Students, last day we have discussed the topic negative and positive liberty, the external restraints, authority, non authority, the freedom of expression, where we have discussed the theory of J.S. Mill, his making of choices, and the fundamental value to protect restrictions. And of course, the renowned story of Deepa Mehta. Deepa Mehta, who wanted to make a film about widows in Varanasi. Okay, it sought to explore the plight of widow, but there was a strong protest from a section of polity, as I told you. Some political activists don't want to make this film or don't want to telecast the film on their screens in Varanasi. So who felt they think that they're being made to clear to foreign audience, and it seems like a bad image of Indian morality, India as a bad light for audience. Okay, especially for foreign audience, we can say, in abroad we can say. So ये फिल्म नहीं बनी. Okay, so they refused to allow it to be made, and as a result it could not be made in Varanasi, not on Varanasi but some other place. So what do you think, it is negative liberty or positive? So according to the Deepa Mehta's point of view, or her perspective, so it is like positive liberty. Okay, look, she has authority. Okay, she has someone who can guide her, because it's like morality. It's not about people who is protesting there. It's like the morality or the goodwill of India. Okay, because everything is in films is not always right, always not accurate. They have to make some myths, they have to make some fake scenes there. Okay, so we'll also read about Menon. So it was subsequently made elsewhere. Similarly, the book Ramayana retold by Menon, Ramayana retold by Menon, was also faced same condition, same happenstance. Okay, same, the Satanic verses by Salman Rashid were banned after protest. His verses were banned by people after the protest. The same happened with the film The Last Temptation of Christ and the play Nathuram Bolte. All they were banned by after protest. Okay. So we have here new question. The question is, when one should ban and when should one not, and should one never ban? So according to me, banning is not an easy solution for the short term, since it meets the immediate demand but is very harmful for the long period of time. So banning is not a solution, not a solution. Yes, we can do it for a temporary, not for a permanent or a long term. Okay, as you know, if it will happen, then everybody can say it's not a rule of democracy, it's like a monarchy. Okay, it's like a dictatorship there. So I will give you example from the England. In England, anyone who is employed to work for the royal household. Okay, so what happened, royal household is constrained by contract. So उसको कुछ constraint, उसके पास कुछ restrictions होती थी. There was some restriction or constraint, we can say. Restrictions were there. Okay, so a such person who were to leave the employment, they would be unable to give an interview or write an article or author a book. ना तो वो article पब्लिश कर सकता था, not an article for a magazine, video, not an interview. So it is a policy of royal household. Okay. So is this unjustifiable constraints on the freedom of expression? It's my question. Is this an unjustifiable constraint on the freedom of expression? So we will read about constants of different kind. This is the constant. There are the constant for the worker in the house, royal household family. So we'll discuss about variety of constants now. Look, students, constants of different kind does exist and we are subject to them in different situations. So constant in different kinds and different situations. Okay, situation, we'll categorize them in different situation. Fine. So while reflecting on such situations, we need to realize that when constants are backed by organized social or religious culture, in the story of Deepak Mehta, what happened there? People from the political activity, we can say political activities, stopped the movie. Why? Because they have problem with that movie. That's why they protest, na? So same thing is happening there. Protest, or by this we can say sport, supported by some social, religious and political. If this kind of institutes help or support by different constants, so obviously it will support it. So freedom is not similarly limited. Okay, look, they can restrict freedom in ways that are difficult to fight against. Look, we have very many revolutions there. We have revolution there in France revolution. We saw the nationalism in India, but they fought for the reasons. Okay, but reasons should be in the moral perspectives. Okay, in the moral, with morality we can fight, we can win, even we can get the majority of people with ourselves. Okay, so what our goal should be, look, however, if we willingly or for the sake of pursuing our goals or ambitions accept certain restrictions, fine. So our freedom is not similarly limited, as I told you. In any case, if we are not caused into accepting the condition, then we cannot claim. If we will not accept this, we can't claim. What? Our freedom has been curtailed. Okay. Okay, students. Today we have covered the topics: story of Deepa Mehta, Menon, in the about the royal household, sorry, in England, and constants of different kinds and a variety of constants in different conditions, and our goals or ambitions about freedom and the constants of freedom. Thank you, students. Rest we'll do tomorrow. God bless you.